down. There was just a toad in this big tall grass. Okay, let me see. I didn't look at my notes yet, so I'm just gonna do the tree pose. And again, it's all rainy, so so 5 yoga poses in nature, 5 days a week for 5 months. I don't even know how I would have gotten this in today had one of my clients not been a no-show. I've had something going since 9:20 this morning, and I have like 5 minutes of sunlight left, and I don't have a flashlight with me. Okay, I think I did more than 4 breaths, so it just felt really good. So I'm going to do my other side. Okay, there is one other car in this huge park. I'm going to do the mountain pose, which is feet width apart and arms, palms facing each other, and then above the head, and then you look where your hands go. Again, I'm breathing into the lower part of my lungs, which is the diaphragm. And I noticed yesterday in the video with me trying to keep my jaw loose that I was mean mugging. So I do, let's see, I'm just gonna do the warrior pose again, and I don't remember. So my back arm always likes to fall lower, and so my goal is to keep my arm at shoulder height. My front leg is in a lunge, and my back leg is straight, but my toe is pointed out. And I think that I'm doing the pose right. I'm actually going to look in this direction for 4 breaths. And then I'm going to look in the other direction for 4 breaths. And then when I breathe out, I'm tucking my belly button toward my spine like someone is sewing a stitch and tucking my tummy in that way. And when you breathe in that way, it helps build your core. Sorry for the light going in and out. Again, I'm going to try to measure up my arms. Trying to keep my jaw relaxed. So then, oh, I wanted to look this way for 4 breaths. All right, so that is 3 yoga poses. And what else am I doing? So I haven't, let's see, I think I'm low enough. I'm going to bend this way since I don't know about my shirt here today. Except now my butt's going to be facing the parking lot. Anyway, I'm way far away, so the outside of your elbow goes to the outside of your knee, and then you're doing a prayer pose, but you're looking up at your elbow. still trying to breathe into your diaphragm, which is the lower part of the lungs. And then when breathing out, tucking the tummy in toward the spine. It will get much easier to do these poses the longer I do it, but if you can see the pinching in my face, I have tight areas where this pose is not feeling very comfortable. Okay, and I'm going to do it this way, so the outside of the elbow, outside of the knee, hands in prayer pose, in a squat, looking up at the elbow, breathing into the diaphragm, which is not easy, and then tucking the tummy toward the spine. And then I breathe out. Oh, and keeping my jaw relaxed. Sometimes I put my tongue between my teeth, and that forces my bottom jaw out. And I guess for, because I didn't look at my notes, I'm just going to do the downward dog. My bum is now facing the tree line, so away from the parking lot. And so you kind of do like a forward fold and like a tabletop, and then you're just going down. You should feel this in your hamstrings, and you just reach down. Your feet are approximately hip width apart, knees not like locked, but they're pretty straight, legs with just an ever so slight bend in the knee. Oh, my head has to go in line with my arms. Jaw relaxed. Okay, and then I do a little bit more of a bend in my knees and then come back up. That toad still there. I'm just going to flip the camera around so that you can see this cool tree. That is the tree that was my prop. Right about there is where I had my phone on this bends out a little bit right here. And the toad was right there.